Hello everyone, my name is John Perry and I'm a student of this environmental class. I've chose to record my video in the backyard because this is one of my favorite places. I'm not going to say to hang out, but definitely a place to explore. I like to go take strolls, shoot Coke cans with my BB gun, although I make sure to pick them up afterwards because that would be littering and I would hate to do that if I'm a student of this class. Sometimes I also just like to just think to myself because I spend a lot of time cooped up in my house unless I'm running errands or going to school, so the fact that I have like this kind of environment available to me whenever it's a very nice luxury. Anyway, moving on to the next couple of questions. I'm an English major and I plan on transferring to UTSA. Why did I choose this class? Well, to put it simply, there was a lot of other science courses I could have taken, but they weren't very interesting or they were just too difficult. Environmental science, it's definitely new, uncharted territory to say the least. But I took a look at it. It sounded like a very interesting course, so that's why I signed up. I hope it lives up to my expectations. How would I define environment? This one's a little difficult for me, but the way I see it is environment is whatever area or biome that surrounds us. It's very vague, but like that's really all I know how to explain. There's a lot of different factors that come into place. It could, because I was gonna say anywhere with like a lot of like vegetation, but that's not true because we have a lot of different because forests and plains and jungles may have vegetation, but what about areas like deserts and mountains and even oceans? Well, oceans have vegetation, but you get my point. So yeah, to summarize it up, I would just label environment overall as the setting or our background, any sort of like anything that's basically not an organism on Earth, really. And finally, what do I hope to learn from this class? Um, there's two things really. A, what was the environment like back in prehistoric times? Because there was a lot of, first when it was first formed, it was like 100% ocean. Then we got to the Mesozoic times with like dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals in the Stone Age and even an Ice Age. So I'm definitely interested in learning about those areas. Secondly, I'm also interested in, is there a way to conserve the environment but still be able to live in a metropolitic or suburban kind of lifestyle? Because those two seem conflicting, so I'm wondering if it's a possibility. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for listening to this, and I'm sorry for the dark background. I should have recorded this sooner. Thank you, everyone.